company starts at 2012. We are an innovative enterprise in the field of fully automatic livestock and poultry breeding equipment. The company located in the beautiful Weifang City. It currently has more than 19,000 square meters of international and specialized production plants. The company has completely upstream and downstream advanced facilities. Our production equipment includes 1 set CNC punching machine, 3 sets laser cutting machines, 3 set CNC bending machines, 1 set CNC shearing machine, 5 sets forming machines, 4 sets injection molding machines. We also have dedicated storage and shipping areas where products are arranged according to different categories and stored separately for different customers. We have obtained the following certifications: ISO 9001 Quality Management System Certification, China Quality Credit 3A Enterprise Credit Certificate. Our main product include broiler ground breeding system, broiler cage system, layer cage system, layer ground breeding system, breeder breeding system, ventilation and control system. At present, the complete set of equipment have provided services to customer in the breeding field of various species at home and abroad. Customized ground breeding and cage breeding solutions have been recognized by the New Hope Group, Blue Ocean Group, Muyuan Group, and etc. Abroad market sales to Southeast Asia, Africa, South America, Australia, Europe, Uzbekistan, Indonesia, Ecuador, Egypt, Pakistan, Vietnam, and other countries. Our mission is committed to creating high-quality products and services in the field of breeding equipment, become an internationally competitive brand enterprise.